This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maureen Vita. Built in 2024, this beautifully upgraded Captiva model villa, the largest floor plan in the cottages at the Isles of Collier Preserve, offers an exceptional opportunity as a luxury rental property in one of Naples' most sought-after resort communities. Situated on a prime lakefront lot with no neighbors across the street, the home provides outstanding privacy, extra parking, and tranquil water and green space views, making it highly desirable for seasonal or annual tenants. The open concept layout features soaring ceilings, transom windows, and abundant natural light, complemented by custom plantation shutters throughout. The chef's kitchen is ideal for both everyday living and entertaining, offering quartz countertops, a large island, and generous counter space. The spacious primary suite serves as a private retreat with a walk-in closet and spa-like ensuite bath, while the guest bedroom enjoys its own private bath, perfect for visiting family or roommates, an attractive feature for rental flexibility. Relax on the screened lanai overlooking the lake, an inviting space for tenants to unwind and enjoy Florida's indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Built with quality and peace of mind in mind, the home includes a 10-year structural warranty and 5-year HVAC warranty, adding long-term value and reliability for both owner and tenant. Residents enjoy resort-style amenities at the Isles of Collier Preserve, including a state-of-the-art fitness center, resort and lap pools, tennis, pickleball, bocce, scenic walking and biking trails, and the Overlook Bar and Grill. Ideally located just 4 miles from Naples' white sand beaches, 5th Avenue South, and downtown Olde Naples, this property offers the perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and lifestyle, an exceptional rental opportunity in a premier Naples community. For more information, review the details below.